We discussed these formulas, sum of first 10 terms of NAP, and we also discussed many problems. And next one is a small formula, that is this: the sum of first 10 positive integers natural numbers is given by Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So we want to derive it. We derive it from the sum of first 10 terms. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. So what will happen if the progression is positive integers? So you can reduce the formula into like this. Okay, we will see here. We want to form this formula. Very simple formula. You can apply when you have to find the sum of natural numbers or first and positive integers. So we form this formula from the sum formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay, and the other form. I think better we can start from the other form. Other form is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. So better you use the second form. No problem if you start with the first form. You will get into this new formula, but better you start from the second form. Okay? So sum of first and positive integer means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to n. First n means n is the last term we take. Okay, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus n. We want to add this, and we know this is an arithmetic progression. Natural numbers makes an arithmetic progression. And here what is a? A is 1, and here what is an? What is an here? Nth term is n itself, right? Yes. In the sequence of natural number or positive integers, an will be n itself. First term is 1, second term is 2, third term is 3, and an will be n itself. So we substitute these two values in our equation. So we will get the new formula. Very simple. Okay? So Sn is equal to n by 2 into a. We know that a is 1. So 1 plus an. N is n. So n into 1 plus n by 2. So we can write this same as n into 1 plus n. You can write as n plus 1 by 2. Just simple, right? So this is the formula to find the sum of first n positive integers or natural numbers. So for an example, suppose you want to find the sum up to first 21 natural numbers. Plus 21 up to 21. Okay, so S21 is equal to, you don't have to use this formula. It is enough to use this one. Okay, so here S21 is equal to, here n is 21, so 21 into 22 by 2. N is equal to 21, so 21 into n plus 1 means you want to add 1 to the n. N is 21, so 21 plus 1 is 22. And by 2, you can cancel, you can cut 2 and 22, you can write 11. So 11 into 21, you will get the answer. Okay, 21 into 11, what's the answer? Yes, 231. 231 will be the answer.